What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and use an auto-clicker on your iPhone. If you've ever been in a simulation where you need to tap repeatedly on the same spot while playing a game or using an app, but find it tiring to keep tapping, an auto-clicker can help automate the process. First, go into your Settings app and scroll down to find Accessibility. Once you're in the Accessibility menu, look for an option called Switch Control and tap on it. Next, tap on Switches to manage your controls. By default, you will see that no switches are set up. To create a new one, hit Add a new switch, and then select Screen as your source. After that, choose Full Screen. This means that the entire screen will be the tap target. Once that's done, under System, select Tap as the action you want the switch to perform. This will make sure that every time the screen is tapped, it will simulate the auto-clicking behavior. Now, go back to the Switch Control menu and look for recipes. A recipe in this case is simply a set of actions or gestures that your iPhone will carry out. To set up your auto-clicker, tap Create New Recipe and give it a name. Something like auto-clicker would work. After naming it, tap Assign a switch, and then choose Full Screen from the list. This tells your iPhone that anytime you use this recipe, it will respond to taps anywhere on the screen. Next, you need to create a custom gesture. This is where you define how the tapping will occur. When you choose Custom Gesture, you'll be prompted to tap on the screen. This is the point where you can choose where you want the taps to happen and how many times. For example, if you want to simulate tapping in the middle of the screen multiple times, just tap that spot several times before saving the gesture. Once done, tap Save in the top right corner. Now that your custom gesture is saved, go back to the Recipe section and scroll down to the Launch Recipe option. Select Auto-Clicker from the list. This tells your iPhone to use your custom tap pattern whenever the recipe is activated. Next, you need to set up a quick way to activate and deactivate the auto-clicker. To do this, go back to the Switch Control menu and then return to the main accessibility page. Scroll all the way down to the Accessibility shortcut option. Tap on it and you will see a list of different features that can be toggled on and off by triple-clicking the side button of your iPhone. From the list, select Switch Control. Now, whenever you triple-click the side button, it will turn the auto-clicker on or off. Once Switch Control is active, tap on the screen where you set up your gesture, and the auto-clicker will start tapping automatically in the pattern you defined. This is especially useful for games that require continuous tapping, or apps where you need to repeatedly select something. To turn it off, simply triple-click the side button again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.